logo on the roof of these trucks.
This job's all about getting the crane tight enough, close enough, because what we're going to be picking is so heavy. And the further away it is, the less we can pick up. Look at the size of that tree. Yeah, that's perfect.
How are you?
Okay, top of the morning. I'm doing really well. How about yourself? Keaton, this is Steve. Who are we missing? We're missing Arnie and Russell.
What's up, Peter?
Hey, what's up? How about we all jump on the crane pads, and then we'll wait for people to show up, and then we'll do the JSA, walk through the job. But that way we can stay busy. What's up, Adam?
Hey.
Mike, we got real talk. All right, guys, here we are. Who's seen this tree before?
Nope. I saw it on pictures.
Right on, yeah. So only Ethan and I have seen it before. So thanks for setting up. This is an unoccupied building, but what we know about those is somebody could, like, you know, come out at any time. One of the situations, this tree takes up so much real estate, we've got the doors blocked. But if you see anybody come into this courtyard, just holler so we can, you know, adjust the plan accordingly. I'm kind of a little anxious to know how much I can reach, because if that's out of reach, that'll be the plan, is cut and drop that. We can always back a chipper in here, yep. No big deal. But then they do have these really nice kind of old historic trees we want to preserve. So, you know, cut and drop what you can, but then we're going to be slinging the big horizontal ones. And I'm thinking the bucket's going to be pretty sweet to get those up and out. But right off the bat, we should probably go off after this tall section, which is probably over, you know, height of the bucket. So we'll need a climber up there, Adam. You'll put the chains on, all right, and then you'll probably lower out, and then Russell would be doing the cutting, if that makes sense. We know this maple's really brittle. There's dead. There's, I mean, look at that dead section there.
Big dead one right there in the middle.
So big heads up there.
And then where are we booming stuff to? Over
Yeah,
here, or?
Good question. So we have two options. One is that way and one is this way. I'm only able to go there if that cherry tree isn't an issue with my counterweight. So I'm kind of interested to see what's the better setup once I get set up.
We got another chance to rise above the emptiness. Got a brand new plan, forming like a silhouette. Our eyes are looking up, gonna get what we want. Our time to overcome the stars.
All right, I'm good.
Hearts soaring like a jet plane, crushing and we never look back.
So bucket crew, be aware there is a climber in the tree.
We're taking it with all that we have. It'll never be the same. Victory rewriting the past. Hearts soaring like a jet plane, crushing and we never look back. Never look back. Never look back. Up until the last call, staying until the end, together through it all. Even if we break a bend, our eyes are looking.
I'm gonna drop my rope real quick.
Gonna get what we
Keep doing that. All right, that's looking good. Okay, hold there.
Hearts soaring like a jet plane, crushing and we never look back. Tell them this is our game. We're taking it with all that we have. It'll never be the same. Victory rewriting the past. Hearts soaring like a jet plane, crushing and we never look back.
So we need to boom up. Making my first cut.
Okay, and then, you know, maple just loves to split, right? So you're far away as you can.
All right, I'm in position. And keep booming up. Yeah. There it goes, it's going.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh man, that was a lot more bottom heavy than I thought.
Shooting two.
Yeah, take that top one first, and then we'll go after the big dead one, or we could get this one out over your truck. What's going on up there?
Yeah, I mean, chain doesn't look terrible. It's definitely got like something going on. But...
Can you tell what you hit?
No. I mean, whatever I hit, it didn't do very much. It's not cutting. Gotta engine this one first. What, do you think I should make a new cut?
No, let's just finish the one we started.
I don't know, it's very odd because I mean, normally you'd see like a chain, you know what I mean? Something pretty jacked up, but it's like, it's not. I think so. Yeah, I mean, I'd go very carefully.
Is it kind of rotating?
It definitely moved when you, yep, it's moving. Yep, it's moving.
Did we read the weight wrong, or? We actually had to take the one large piece and cut it into 3 because the weight was so heavy. Yeah, I'll come over there. Gonna go forward, but you have to hold it. Yeah, and this is all that dirty. Well, I was gonna go this way, but I think I'm straight. Yeah. Send it. Okay. The biggest maple. Shoot, don't we want the chains like right here? No, that's perfect. And then Adam, you're gonna cut, I think like a 36 inch. 36 inch saw. Yeah, okay. Is it right around here? Yeah. Kind of. Boy, there's dirt. Yeah, ooh, we got a bad spot over. Man, it's gonna be ugly. Yep. Let's start cutting. Yeah, I'll go 10,000 on it. What's that Mike Tyson quote? What's the one Mike Tyson? Yeah, that's a great quote.
I don't know, it's probably stuck somewhere, but I'll try lifting it.
That saw's good right there. Yeah.
Light a flame inside your heart. See every finish line before you reach the start. Raise your fist to the sky. Lightning and mountaintops are made for you.
I think it's floating. It's cut, man. That thing, it weighs 86. 86 plus 2 plus 3,300.
Bring on the fire, bring on the rain. Nothing can take you down. Crashing like thunder, steel in your veins. Nothing can take you down.
And there is nothing more satisfying than the last pick coming safely down after a tree removal. That was some heavy maple. We couldn't believe it, but inside the maple tree, it was filled entirely with concrete.
Bring on the fire, bring on the rain. Nothing can take you down. Crashing like thunder, steel in your veins. Nothing can take you down. Nothing can take you down.
Everybody goes home safely.
Damn, that was pretty impressive.
It's a big tree.
I was really impressed by going after those big ones. Like, I thought those were gonna weigh like 7,000 to 8,000 pounds.
Yeah, exactly.
And then when they were only 4,
Yeah.
that was awesome.
No, I thought this side was gonna be harder, and I felt like that side was easier than the front side.
Yeah, we had it all cleared out. That bucket was huge.
Yeah.
It's the wildest thing. Arborists and people that cared for trees years ago used to not only fill cavities with concrete, but they used to also paint pruning cuts. The thought was if you could seal out moisture, you could help prevent decay. But it turns out, in what we've learned, is it traps the moisture and it causes the perfect environment for fungus and decay to take place. So it's no longer a recommended practice.